Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications.
Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Daughter Dresses series. In this video, I am going to show you how to stitch kids dress circular floral long frock. In the previous video, I have shown you how to stitch mom's dress. If you want to watch, the link is above or it is in the description box. First, I will show you drafting for the bottom part. Fold the fabric into half widthwise. Now again double fold the fabric. Now it is with 2 folds with 4 layers. Here we are going to stitch circular floral, so length and width should be same. First we will see the radius. With 3.5 inches, fix one end of the tape and rotate the other end with the same length. Now give markings. Now I am showing drafting on lining. This one again I will transform to the main fabric. Here total length of the bottom part is 20 inches. As it is lining, I am taking 3 inches less. Now from this point, mark it 18 inches where it comes. Now measure the total length from the topmost corner to the point. With the same measurement, fix one end of the tape and rotate the other end and give markings. Now trim on the marked lines. In the same way, fold the main fabric as well with 3.5 inches. Fix one end of the tape and rotate the other end with the same measurement and give markings. Now from this point, mark it 21 inches. Now measure the total length from the topmost corner to the point. Now fix one end of the tape and rotate the other end and give markings. Now trim on the marked lines. Now drafting is completed for the bottom part. Now we will see the bodice. Lengthwise I has taken with 10 inches. First I will show you drafting on the lining. This one I will transform to the main fabric. Fold the fabric into half with 2 folds with 4 layers. Start marking from the close side. Mark neck width as 1/3 inch, neck deep as 4 inches. Shoulder as 2.5 inches. Armhole as 5.5 inches. Chest as 7.5 inches. Here 1 inch extra I am taking for seaming allowance. Waist as 7.5 inches and 1 inch for seaming allowance. Now draw armhole curve. Now mark half inch inwards and draw neckline. Now trim on the mark lines. Now same thing transform to the main fabric and attach both lining and main fabric. Now we will see sleeves. Fold the fabric with 2 folds with 4 layers. Here sleeves length is 6 inches. 1 inch extra I am taking for seaming allowance. Now mark 2 inches down. Now from the topmost corner, mark it 8 inches diagonally. Here arm round is 3 inches. 1 inch extra I am taking for seaming allowance. Now give the shape as I am showing and connect the points. Now trim on the mark lines. Now sleeves are completed. Here I will show cold sleeves once I attach this to the lining. Now I am attaching lining for sleeves. Place the both fabrics right and right and give stitch towards wrong side. Now turn the fabric towards right side and give top stitch. Now I will show you neckline for the front panel of the bodice. Mark neck width as 1/3 inch, neck deep as 4 inches. With 1/4 inch inwards, draw U-shaped neckline. Now same thing transform to the back panel of the bodice. Here I am taking pot shape for the back panel. Now I am giving center slit and attaching hook and back strap. Now I am giving tucks with 3 inches for the both front and back panel of the bodice. Now I am concealing this neckline with piping for the both front and back panel of the bodice. Here place the both fabric and piping right and right and give stretch. Now turn the piping towards wrong side and give top stretch. In the same way I am going to give piping for armhole also. Now I will show drafting for the cold sleeves. Take the sleeves, fold it into half from the folded side. Mark deep as 1.5 inches and width as 2 inches. Now with quarter inch, draw curve. Now trim on this curved line. Now conceal this draw curved line with piping. Place the both piping and fabric right and give stretch. Now turn the piping towards wrong side and give top stretch. Now I will show you how to attach these sleeves to the bodice. This is the piece of cloth which we have trimmed for the cold sleeves. Place it at the center on the shoulder and give markings. Now keep the sleeves at the marked point and give top stretch. Finally conceal the raw edges of the bodice with 1 inch seaming allowance. Now insert the bodice into the bottom part. Here for the bodice and the bottom part, both fabric should be right and give stitch towards wrong side. Finally, I am highlighting neckline with mirror work design. Give 1 inch marking at neckline. Now stick these mirrors on the marked point. Finally, I gave invisible stitch with normal needle, so that even if I wash this frock, mirrors will not go. Now frock is almost all ready. Now at the bottom with zigzag stitch, conceal these raw edges. Here I would like to share one small tip with you. When you are doing zigzag at the back, give little bit stretch so that there will be nice wrinkles. Final output of the frock is like this. I hope you all liked it. Please give your feedback in the comment section. And please do watch, share, subscribe and like.